The popularity of non-financial tokens has skyrocketed in recent years, with the market expected to reach a valuation of $40 billion by 2022 and continue to expand. To invest in the NFT market, you should use a platform that is both dependable and cost-effective. In addition, you should look for the best NFT market for your investing needs. As part of this video, we'll go over the best NFT marketplaces in detail, including a look at some of the most well-known NFT platforms in the industry, as well as demonstrate how to purchase NFTs right now, all from the comfort of your own home. It is clear from the list above that there are a variety of excellent NFT platforms to pick from, each with a somewhat different set of features and a slightly different pricing structure. Let's delve in and go through each platform one by one in order to provide you with a better understanding. Number 5. Nifty Gateway, best NFT platform for rare drops. Among the key NFT marketplaces to examine is Nifty Gateway, which is yet another big NFT marketplace. However, rather than broad NFT releases, Nifty Gateway focuses its efforts on premium NFT drops, which are NFT releases that contain a limited number of assets. In the past, the site has received contributions from a varied spectrum of well-known musicians and creatives, including Steve Aoki and Grimes, who have both published music on the website. The selection of non-financial companies by Nifty Gateway is more suited to wealthy individuals than it is to the general public because there is so much interest in them. The Nifty Gateway is a section of Gemini, the cryptocurrency exchange founded by the Winklevoss twins that operates under the Gemini brand. The Winklevoss twins launched Gemini, a cryptocurrency exchange that trades in cryptocurrencies. For those who live in the United States, you will be able to purchase NFTs using a credit or debit card if you have one. Using the Bitcoin kept in your Gemini account will be necessary if you are traveling outside of the United States. Finally, Nifty Gateway charges a 5% transaction fee on each NFT sold and a 30-cent transaction fee on each NFT purchased through the service. Number 4. OpenSea, top NFT marketplace with huge asset selection. A huge number of individuals say that OpenSea is the best place to purchase NFTs because it is the world's largest trading marketplace in terms of volume. It was OpenSea that introduced non-financial trading to the mainstream, and it has expanded to service more than 1 million consumers since its beginning. There are a lot of things you can buy on the Ethereum blockchain marketplace, like art, domain names, in-game goods, and other non-fungible tokens, or NFTs. The marketplace is built on top of the Ethereum blockchain and can be accessed through the Ethereum blockchain marketplace. When it comes to the OpenSea platform, one of the most interesting characteristics is the fact that it supports more than 150 different cryptocurrencies as a payment option. Investors can purchase and sell NFTs using their cryptocurrency balance in this manner, and it is rather simple for them to do so. When an item sells on OpenSea, the seller is charged a 2.5% transaction fee with no additional fees or costs to the buyer other than standard network fees. The OpenSea marketplace now supports 14 different cryptocurrency wallets, and users can link their wallets to the marketplace with just a few clicks. Number 3. Binance, low-fee NFT trading platform. Additionally, if you're interested in purchasing NFTs, the Binance NFT marketplace is another site that comes highly recommended. According to CoinMarketCap, this marketplace is administered by Binance, which, as the name implies, is the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange in terms of market capitalization. Binance takes pride in charging low fees, and this philosophy extends to the NFT marketplace, where customers can buy NFTs for as little as a 1% transaction fee. This platform is a cryptocurrency exchange that is focused on low fees. Because it is available on both the Binance Smart Chain and the Ethereum blockchain, the NFT marketplace provides traders with a diverse selection of tradable assets to choose from. The platform marketplace, which features NFTs in a range of categories that include art, sports, entertainment, gaming, collectibles, and more, has a straightforward design that makes it simple to navigate the marketplace. Furthermore, this platform offers a unique mystery box option, in which users can purchase a box and receive a random NFT that may be of significant value. You can use the same login information if you already have a Binance account to sign into the NFT market. Although the platform's NFT marketplace website currently only allows customers to purchase NFTs using cryptocurrency, those who do not already own digital currency can easily acquire some by using the Binance exchange. An auction or a set price can be used to buy NFTs. Once the purchase has been made, the NFTs can be moved to an external NFT wallet. To cap it all off, users can mint their own NFTs on Binance's marketplace with fees paid in BNB, the platform's native asset, in return for a nominal fee. Number 2. NFT LaunchPad, most exciting new NFT marketplace. The NFT LaunchPad is our choice for the most exciting new NFT marketplace to emerge in 2022. NFT LaunchPad is an exciting new digital asset marketplace that was only launched in February of 2022, but has already begun to gain traction with investors. NFTs that were made on the Binance Smart Chain and Polygon blockchains can be bought on the market. This means that there will be a lot of different assets to choose from. Wrapped BNB is one of the most widely used cryptocurrencies, and it is used to denominate the assets of NFT LaunchPad. Accessed through a web browser, the marketplace has a simple interface with clearly marked sections for buying and minting NFTs, as well as sections for selling and trading NFTs. For those who are interested in the former, NFT LaunchPad offers collections from a variety of top creators, including the extremely popular Lucky Block NFTs, at a reasonable price. The purchasing process is extremely streamlined, as NFT LaunchPad lists digital assets through a traditional auction, declining auction, or fixed price listing model, among other options. Users can connect their MetaMask wallet to the platform in a matter of seconds while still maintaining complete control over their private keys and cryptocurrency holdings. With the NFT LaunchPad, minting is also a breeze because it supports a wide range of formats, including MP4. Users can set up royalties and select the rarity level at which their collection will be expressed in order to customize their experience. People who are interested in your NFTs can even create a dedicated page for them to follow, complete with a biography, profile picture, cover photo, and links to social media websites. With the wide selection of exciting new NFT collections available on this marketplace, it is the ideal place to flip NFTs. Number 1. Crypto.com. Overall best NFT marketplace in 2022. The website Crypto.com is another excellent alternative when determining where to get NFTs. This well-known NFT marketplace is one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, with more than 10 million users worldwide. In addition to its well-known cryptocurrency trading services, Crypto.com has lately opened its own NFT marketplace. The marketplace, which was started in 2021, sells NFTs from a wide range of categories, including art, celebrities, gaming, sports, music, and of course, cryptocurrency NFTs, as well as NFTs from other types of things. Users may sign up for a Crypto.com NFT account in minutes, demonstrating the company's commitment to making the entire investment process as simple as possible. NFTs are available for purchase via auction or at a predetermined price, and users can pay for NFTs with a credit or debit card depending on their preference. Alternatively, NFTs can be purchased using cryptocurrency using the Crypto.com Pay payment channel, which accepts a variety of digital currencies. It is the fact that there are no transaction fees associated with purchasing an NFT through Crypto.com that is the most tempting aspect of the buying procedure. This is in striking contrast to many other platforms. With Crypto.com, you'll also be able to find some of the costliest non-fungible tokens on the market. The NFT marketplace itself is simple to browse and is suitable for both novice and expert investors alike. Crypto.com has already cooperated with a number of well-known figures, including Snoop Dogg and Boy George, which has helped to raise the profile of the platform's NFTs. Finally, according to a press release from Crypto.com, the platform can now support Ethereum-based NFTs, which means that more options are available to investors. Furthermore, Crypto.com provides the greatest NFT app, which allows you to purchase and sell NFTs directly from your mobile device. What do you think about our video? Please let us know in the comments area below. If you enjoyed this video and would want to hear from me again, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell before leaving. Thanks for watching.